Hello family, welcome back to Katos Tubes. I'm your host Paras, and in today's video I bring you one of the first meme coins on Pulsechain network, and this meme coin has the power to 100x your gains because you are early into it if you are watching this video. Now before I start, let me remind you that nothing here is financial advice. You have to do your due diligence and research before investing in any token. Also, if you are new here, remember to press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to watch daily crypto updates like this. And also, if you're looking for the right community that can help you grow in the crypto industry, just click on the link in the description box and join our Telegram channel right away. So now let's talk about what is this meme coin. This is the token which is real Bitcoin. It is listed today. So this can be the first video which is covering this meme coin. It is at a very low price level, and right now you can see its contract on the Pulsechain network. And if we check the Explorer, you can see this is the token smart contract, and you can see all the details of this token contract right over here. It is live, it is there, and now we will talk about its tokenomics. Moreover, for $1 you are getting approximately 400k RBC token, which is real Bitcoin, and this is the official website of RBC token. So it is nothing but a meme coin, but it is one of the first on Pulsechain network. So that means if the people knew about this token before anyone else, they are going to purchase it, just like they're buying tokens on BRC20 token standard, which are on Bitcoin, and also like on Ethereum. You have the rally of Shiba Inu, you have the rally of Dogecoins, and now it's time for the Pulsechain to rally, and this is the token that will answer on Pulsechain. So this is a token, you can see name is real Bitcoin, ticker is RBC, supplies 1 trillion, taxation fee, no taxation fee. Contract address I have already shown. So how you can buy it? RBC is on the Pulsechain network. If you don't have PLS, then go to gopls.com. Of course, you need to have PLS to purchase any token on Pulsechain. So this is just an entertainment token for meme entertainment only. Look for the RBC real Bitcoin trading pool on dexscreener.com. So let's go to DexScreener and show you how the token looks like. You can see the token has already started picking up in value. It has pumped, then pulled back, and now again pumped, and now again pulling back, which means it is about to enter into a rally soon. That means this point can be the right point for its entry, and once it pulled back, it is going to rise up again, because we are still early into this meme token and not many people are aware of this token. So this can be the right time to make your entry point if you want to earn from meme coins. Remember, these tokens doesn't have any value, they are pure pump and dump. All you need to do is get in early and get out early. So that's the thing that you must remember before buying any token. So this is the Twitter page of this token. It has 178 followers only, which means you are still early if you are watching this video. So the page is very active. Clearly see 5 hours, 4 hours and 1 hour. So the post and tweets are very active. They are actively posting. So if you want to buy it, you need to go to PulseX Dex, and here you need to switch to V2 because it is available on V2 as per its records. And let me tell you how many wallets are holding this token by clicking on the token. And once I click it, you will know how early or late you are. You can see it had just 337 holders only. So PEPE token, which trended, has over 100k holders. So if you are planning to invest in a Pulsechain based meme coin, this can be the right time because it has so little holders, just 337. So you are very early if you are watching this video. Remember, if you love meme coin, only then invest in this token. It is pure pump and dump. You can lose all of your value, or you can gain 1000x, or maybe become a millionaire if the token pumped at the right time. So that's about it. Remember to subscribe, remember to do your due diligence, and also join our Telegram community. If you have any question, comment below and let me know. I will try to answer it as soon as possible. And also do watch the video shared on the end screen. All these are knowledgeable videos related to Pulsechain network. And remember, you will get rich, you will make money. It's just a matter of time. Thank you.